Welcome back, guys. CryptoFi channel. Today we would like to talk about how to work with Bubblemaps and analyze tokens on Ethereum chain. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you subscribe channel, find a playlist, and watch all previous tutorials about Bubblemaps. And today I want to show you how we can work and analyze the different tokens on Ethereum chain. Highly recommend you, by the way, create account. It's totally for free now. On Bubblemaps, you press a launch app. And we go into the main page on Bubblemaps now version 2 beta. They support now Ethereum, Base, Solana, Tron, BNB chain, Ape chain, Sonic. Sonic just added recently. And today we're going to work with Ethereum. So we press and choose Ethereum. Here we trending tokens on Ethereum from meme sector. Some of them like SPX, I guess you already know. You can check by market capitalization, by price, by volume. And here's a future token. So this is the most popular tokens in general on Ethereum. Here's a SHIB, Pepe, Nero, MOG, Compound. Here's a tab where we can paste any here or any token contract. How to find the tokens on Ethereum, especially, for example, if you didn't see some token on trading on or on the future tokens. We can go to CoinGecko or to Gecko terminal. I already posted 2 videos about this platform and how the Bubblemaps integrated in. On CoinGecko, you just need go to chains and find Ethereum here and scroll it down, choose any token what you would like to analyze. This is basically meme sector. Let's say we want to analyze, this is a SHIB, no, Mudeng. Mudeng on Ethereum. We need to copy the contract address, this one, copy address, go into the main page of Bubblemaps, this one, and paste the contract. Here's a Mudeng on Ethereum. I already explained to you on previous videos, so every single bubble on this screen, it's one single wallet. So one single holder. Connections between the wallets, it's on-chain transfers. So the bigger bubble, the more supply, the more tokens this wallet hold. When you click the magic nodes, you will see the wider and the bigger connections between the wallets, even the undetected. So press magic nodes and you see the real connections. So this is like one big cluster of holders, and all of them, you know, like can hold small amount of tokens, even 0, right? So for example, this one 0.20, this one hold like 0, right? But all of this cluster in general hold 3.27% of total supply. So it's kind of not a small amount. This is a present moment, how the connections looks like. We can go to the chart, open, for example, the weekly time frame, find the main key point on the chart, see some spikes, some pumps or dumps. For example, middle of November 2024 was the main pump, and after that dump. So let's check how it looks like, how the distribution looks like at that time. First of all, we can open the price, this one, and scroll it down to the 2024 November. So this is a spike and crash. So before the crash, we can see the connections. And take a look at this cluster. So this one big cluster, all of these wallets are cross-connected. At that time, before the dump, they held like 9.2% of total supply. So it's kind of big one. And I already showed you in videos, if some token, you see some wallets hold over than 5 or 10%, it can be the dangerous, right? And also interesting moment of what you can analyze. For example, you choose the token. I'll recommend you all the time, double check the launch date, how the initial supply being distributed and the launch date of this token. This is a way how you can find the insiders or team at the launch. All the time, press the magic nodes and see the connections. Here's how the distribution of this initial token looks like. This cluster 4.89% total hold supply. This one 4.83, right? And it's also can be the same group of people. If you want to find some more tokens, for example, not only the meme sector, you can go to CoinGecko, go to cryptocurrency chains. Here, choose the Ethereum chain. You choose the all coins because we don't need the NFTs. All tokens based on market capitalization. From Ethereum, Tether, BNB, and scroll it down, 51 pages, I guess, tokens on Ethereum. We can check the brand new resolve, copy the contract address, go into the main page, and double check the distribution. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.